Hello people, I wanted to talk about a very important tool. I have to revert changes because I want to discuss two different art tools in 3ds Max when you work, because we have command detach and we have command split, but this will be visible only when you select edge mode. What these different tools do is a difference, because when you use detach, uh, if you want to use this tool will disconnect polygon, detach to element, detach as clone. You will have separate polygons. I think we don't want that, because if you model hand of character, you want to have polygon only separated edges. Let's check detach to element. Yes, but this is not a great option. I know vector solution, what you can do instead. There's command called split. When you use split, this will disconnect edges. As you can see, but keep in mind you still have to breed polygon. That's fine. But at least we have done first step. And also you can use you can right click mouse button. You can have quick access to split command tool when you click by right mouse button. Also you can do another way. I will show to you, because I already applied keyboard shortcuts. If you go to customize hotkey editor, we have hotkeys, and I assign the command S. Make sure this command is not being used by something else. Otherwise, if you assign command to split tool, it may not work. Split edges, edit poly, editable poly. You can save as to shortcut keyboards. 3ds Max keyboard resets. I forgotten about something important. Save as. I think this is in application data. When you see your username, but by default folder is not visible, then you go to username, Autodesk 3ds Max user settings. This is where you're supposed to save keyconfig configuration file. I will overwrite because I assigned different shortcut keyboards when I work with polygons. I can show to you here. If you want to do something else with mouth, mm, this will be disconnected. We will press S and our polygon has been disconnected. You can see how useful this tool can be. I hope you like my video tutorial, and see you again, because I want to talk maybe tomorrow about a tool called Backface, because this version of 3ds Max did not previous version did not have this, but the newest has two options, especially when you want to use a tool like polygon paint. Uh, I will not talk about it right now because this topic was about split tool. See you guys.